Beoplay H100 versus H95. Which one is better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you a comparison between the Bang & Olufsen Beoplay H100 and H95 headphones to help you decide which one is right for you. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to know is that Beoplay H100 is the latest model introduced in 2024, bringing several upgrades over the H95 in terms of design, sound quality, and noise cancellation. Over here, the H100 features a modular construction with premium materials like lambskin leather and scratch-resistant glass, while the H95 is known for its luxurious materials and foldable design for portability. After that, let's talk about sound quality. The H100 is equipped with custom-made 40 titanium drivers and supports Dolby Atmos for a more immersive experience, whereas the H95 delivers tailored noise cancellation with a durable build. Then, when it comes to noise cancellation, the H100 has an advanced ANC system powered by 10 microphones, making it superior to the H95 in reducing background noise. Over here, another key difference is battery life. The H95 offers up to 38 hours of continuous playtime, while the H100 lasts up to 32 hours with Ancon. However, the H100 supports quick charging, giving you 5 hours of playtime in just 5 minutes. After that, let's look at additional features. The H100 includes auto wear detection and improved repairability with easily replaceable components, while the H95 comes with a sturdy headphone case for added protection. Then, if you want a headphone with cutting-edge features, immersive sound, and a repairable design, the H100 is the better option. But if you prefer longer battery life and a premium foldable design, then the H95 is still a great choice. So that's the comparison between the Beoplay H100 and H95 headphones. That's all for this video.